We are just hours away from the Apple event at malapit na nga nating makita itong bagong iPhone 17 series lineup, and here's what we are expecting. First, we can all watch the Apple event tomorrow, September 10 at 1 a.m. Second, bago ko ipakita sa inyo yung latest na rumors or leaks ng iPhone 17 series lineup, ito muna yung ibang mga Apple products na pwede nating makita bukas sa Apple event. Una sa listahan is the AirPods Pro 3. So meron na raw tong heart rate monitoring, but it doesn't have huge improvement para sa performance and even sa noise cancellation niya. But for the AirPods Pro 2, alam naman natin na napakaganda na niya, napakaganda na performance and even battery life, and I think it's worth upgrading pa rin. Next is meron tayong tatlong aabangan na Apple Watch. The Apple Watch SE 3, the Apple Watch Series 11, and of course the Apple Watch Ultra 3. So ang expect lang naman natin dito is better chipset and better performance, yung accessories or yung ibang mga straps. Now, the exciting part, the iPhone 17 series lineup. Ang nakaka-excite dito is the iPhone 17 will now have a ProMotion display, meaning 120Hz na yung display niya, wala ng 60Hz para sa base model, and at last, ganun na yung ginawa nila. Next is the iPhone 17 Air. Ito yung papalit sa Plus versions, pero ang maganda dito sa 17 Air is it is the thinnest iPhone ever made. Sobrang nipes at meron lang siyang single camera setup. Now for the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, bagong-bago to at redesign na yung itsura niya. So kung makikita nyo, iba na yung camera bump niya, mas pinahaba na, and meron siyang actually design sa ilalim. Hindi natin to sure kung ito nga talaga yung lalabas mamaya or plain lang yung design niya sa ilalim with Apple logo. Pero ang sure lang dito is yung magnet ring niya or yung MagSafe ring niya is medyo nasa may baba na. Now for the battery life, of course, expect natin na Pro and Pro Max models will be a lot higher or mas makunat na yung battery niya compared sa iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. And for the camera setup, sabi daw dito is 48 megapixel na yung tatlong camera, which is mas maganda and better performance. So meron na rin tayong upgraded chipset dyan sa bagong iPhone. And of course, i-introduce na rin yung iOS 26 na matagal na nating iniintay. And meron na nga tayong iOS 26 dito sa iPhone 16 Pro Max natin na ginawa natin ng mga videos and pinost na natin dito sa page natin. So kayo ba, saan kayo na-excite dito sa Apple event na to? Anong product or dun sa iOS 26 ba kayo na-excite? Let me know in the comments, and i-comment nyo na rin dyan kung magpupuyat din kayo mamaya para mapanood ang Apple event at exactly 1 a.m.